Hey, we are here with the grocers. We got him a cake from Walmart, and I got pork for Jen, and we got ice cream. Now we're ready to party here. Yeah, there, cake. Jen's here. Hey, Jen! Hindi pa yan. Ito yung ano mo.
Parang dami.
Marami tayo eh. Hey! Zoe! Zoe!
He's not answering my call.
Hindi sumasagot. Hindi niya alam. May ice cream din pala kayo.
Oh.
Alright.
How's your trip?
It's nice. Been fun. It's long. We got the candles too. 32 na siya, di ba?
Yes. Yeah, you're right.
Look at the camera.
Do you guys have plans for tomorrow?
Wala eh.
Oh,
No plans. We don't have plans. Tawagan ko si Al mamaya. Gusto ni Al na conference tayo kasi
okay.
gusto niyang nandito si Paul pag sinurpresa natin siya. Okay, I have this plan. Okay, just hold on. You gotta hear this. So we brought a card, alright? We brought a card. So it's like, hey, you got a mail from your sister. Right here. So we put address and stuff like that. We don't have a stamp, but it's fine. I think he's not gonna be able to know that it's just here. And then a card from your sister.
Oh.
And then so here. You gotta read this card first. This is what it says. It says, I was going to text you or call you or update my status or tweet about it or send you an instant message. But I decided to be all old school and get you a card instead. Happy birthday. And then we're in a closet somewhere. And then I'm gonna send him some photos. You know, I have a photo of your dog. And then he'll see it. Like, oh,
Okay, yeah, okay.
It's like she's so cute. And then we'll send him another photo.
Okay.
I'm holding his dog. Or maybe we're like, I have a photo of your house. I mean your apartment. A photo of like hiding in the closet.
That's really good idea.
Or maybe you can send him those photos. Like I have some photos to send you. You gotta send him the photos one at a time. Yeah, go ahead. Go. I don't know what time will be yet. Afternoon or what? He really doesn't have a schedule. So he can just guard it there.
Maybe afternoon. He's thinking morning or afternoon. I'm not sure.
Okay, well I gotta get this card ready. Just finish there. So even though when you're cooking and stuff like that, this is done and out of the way. You have a pen. You're ready. Here's the card. That's what it says. We'll do that. We'll do the address thing. Oh, guess what? Betos, lumpia.
Why do you single me out? You don't eat it. Crazy. She eats them while she's cooking them. Didn't you cook some already? Well, I ate those. I'm cooking more. Don't worry.
Come here, Zoe. Hi, baby. Come on, Zoe. Good girl, buddy. Yay, good girl, Zoe. That's a good girl. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, yeah. That's a good girl. Macy. I like Zoe. I like this dog. Yeah, I miss you, Mace. You know where you're going, buddy? You know where to go? Come on, let's go. That's a good girl. Okay. She just peed. All. Kailan ka darating? 11 na. Buisit. So Jen just received a call from Paul, and Paul is coming. Zoe, we ran outside, Zoe. You had fun, buddy. Pikes Peak. Pikes Peak. You've been to Pikes Peak?
Yeah. Let's go there tomorrow if you want.
Wow. Look at Zoe. You're sleeping there. So Paul is here, and we're hiding in a spare bedroom.
May dumating na pa ako. Nagdala sa akin ni Ate. Teka lang. Naliligo ka. Tapos merong
Ano yan, video?
Oo, parang sasend natin sa ate mo.
Teka muna. Hindi maganda yung reaction ko ah. Ako lang ba? Wow.
Sasend natin sa ate mo.
Okay na yan. Sige. I was going to text you or call you or update my status or tweet about it or send you an instant message. But I decided to be all old school and get you a card instead. Happy birthday! Love you, Paul. I hope you enjoy your birthday. Love, Ate and Kuya Bill. Thoughtful. Thank you, Ate.
May gusto pa akong, meron pa akong sisend sa'yo. Ano ba yun? Wala ka namang mag-picture ako sa ibang bahay. Kahapon, ginagawa ako dito yung dito siya talaga yung naglatok. Sabi ko parang sikat talaga nilaan ko rin siya na rin sa dito.
Padali ba tayo? Hindi muna ako.
Teka lang.
Hindi ako makaparinig sa iyo dahil nahanap niya ako wala akong mga Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba? Bili ko muna ako ah.
Isinin pa ako, tingnan mo.
Ano yung... Ano to? Bakit may picture ang ganyan? Oh! Ba't nandito?
Happy birthday!
What are you doing this?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Paul!
Asan ba?
Happy birthday! It's just us! I'm sorry, it's just us!
back from hiking.
We know.
We know.
Let's get here.
We got here yesterday.
To Cheyenne.
To Cheyenne.
Okay.
But we stayed at a hotel.
Kinuwentohan ko kagad. Sabi ko gano'n, meron ako na-receive na package galing kay Ate Desiree. May birthday package siya sa akin. Tapos, pero yung sa'yo, eto lang pa. Kasi baka nga maghanap ng stamp eh. So ito, tapos yun, di binasa niya yung sabi niya, babasahin ko na ba? Sabi ko, ikaw, bahala ka, basahin mo natin. Binasa naman niya, yun, natuwa siya. Wow, sabi niya gano'n. Tapos, sabi kong gano'n, may sasend ako sa yung picture sa messenger. Tapos sinend ko. Rose, tsaka si Zoe. Tapos sabi niya, parang nag-ano siya, bakit? Ano to? Sabi ko, wala, apartment natin. Sabi ko gano'n, kailangan na mag-picturean ko yung ibang apartment. Hindi, apartment natin. Tapos sabi niya gano'n, maliligo na ako. Sabi niya gano'n. Oo. Maliligo na daw siya. Nandun sila sa guest room. Tapos, nag-worry ako kasi baka mamaya, mag-isip pa siya ng gagawin niya na minsan kasi pumupunta yun sa guest room, magpe-play mo, maglalaro muna sa computer bago maligo minsan para ma-relax muna siya. Tapos nandun siya nakatayo sa tapat ng guest room. Sabi ko gano'n, teka lang, sabi ko, may sisend pa ako sa'yo na picture. Sinend ko na yung picture ni ate na picture with Zoe. Nagulat siya.